PT9 C-PROOF, the acoustic beacon, innovation made in Germany. What would the PT9 C-PROOF be without its battery? To make sure that the BSH approval does not expire, the PT9 C-PROOF battery needs to be replaced professionally after 3 years. For this, you will need our battery replacement kit. It consists of a lithium battery, an O-ring, and a replacement date sticker. In addition, you will need a pressure dispense clamp, the torque wrench, the TAG 2550 beacon tester, a wire for the reset, a small screwdriver, a standard multimeter, a notching plier for the inspection tag, a cotton bud, an industrial cleaner spray, and a clean, soft cloth. The first step is to clean the acoustic beacon with the industrial cleaner spray. Then slide the PT9 C-PROOF into the pressure dispense clamp and place both into the vise. The fixed acoustic beacon can now be opened easily with the Novega torque wrench, whereby the pins of the torque wrench must engage the holes drilled into the battery cover. Now you can take the old battery out of the beacon. For the subsequent reset, you will need to connect the spring at the bottom of the battery compartment with the gold pin for about 10 seconds using a flexible wire. Then insert the new battery and measure the quiescent current with the multimeter. To this end, adjust the multimeter to microamperes and measure the current between the negative pole of the battery and the gold pin. The value must be less than 15 microamperes. Use the small screwdriver to remove the old O-ring from the battery cover. Now replace it with the new one from the battery replacement kit. Smear a small amount of grease from the O-ring package onto the cotton bud and use it to grease the thread on the battery cover. You can then close the PT9 C-PROOF with a torque wrench. An audible click confirms that the beacon is closed correctly. Now use the industrial cleaner spray to degrease the area around the battery replaced label. Clean the contacts on both covers as well as the housing. In conclusion, a sound and voltage test needs to be carried out. Activate the acoustic beacon and short both contacts. When you press the push button on the TAG 2550 beacon tester, the signals of the acoustic beacon become audible. Now adjust the multimeter to DC voltage. The voltage between the two contacts must be more than 2.5 volts. To mark the date of the battery change, affix an inspection sticker bearing the current year. Use the notching plier to clip the current month on the supplied sticker. Affix the date sticker so that the marked month points towards the arrow printed on the nameplate. The last step is to use the TAG 2550 beacon tester to check whether the PT9 C-PROOF has changed into sleep mode. And that's it. Your PT9 C-PROOF is now ready for action for another 3 years. The PT9 C-PROOF, made by Novega, high-tech products for maritime navigation.